Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. My name is DJ Cat and today we have another video. Now this is not about drip, but this is something that is very close to drip. This is about a project that gives you 1.5% daily. So this sounds very good, just like drip. And matter of fact, this is a very heavily inspired project that is actually inspired by drip itself, and I have been in this for around I believe a month and a half, basically from around the start. I've also made a video way back, but I'm making another video because the website has been updated and I feel like I want to remind you guys of this. And this has been paying me 1.5% daily for the past month or so. So definitely a check on that. So a very good track record, and I've seen that a lot of people, that this My Diamond team has been getting a lot of eyes. So I just wanted to make that video again to people who are new, who maybe are just coming around from the drip videos that I'm making. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more crypto videos. I only want to make videos that are of very high value, good investments, solid investments, none of that degan stuff. But obviously at the end of the day, this is still risky. It's 1.5% a day, so it's actually not too crazy compared to other stuff like, you know, Time Wonderland and stuff, which is a good thing. And yeah, so this is actually pretty close to drip itself. So yeah, if you guys want to join this, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description. If you want to support a small YouTuber, just click on it and then you can deposit from there. It will allow you to deposit, and yeah, you can join my team, which I believe I have around 18 people right here. And as well, make sure to join the Telegram. It's called the Farmers Community. Join in, we can start a discussion, say hello, and everyone else will welcome you. We talk about drip, we talk about everything, all my videos that I'm making. If you have any more requests of any videos you want me to make specifically, make sure to let me know there or in my DMs at Coolide. I'm gonna leave that in the description as well. But carrying on with My Diamond team, what is it? Let's review the website. So right down here it says My Diamond team is a high reward contract on Binance Smart Chain that's paying out 1.5% daily return on investments up to 365%. But yeah, once we scroll down, you guys can see here the statistics and stuff like that, and it will show you right here the total members, which is 2,100, which I believe yesterday was around 1,900. So this is actually pretty good health. It's going, the user count on this is going pretty well, and it shows you the total reinvested by members. Absolutely amazing numbers. Total BNB deposited 2,471. That's a lot of people. But yeah, if we go down and scroll down here where it talks about the guide, basically this is basically the white paper, they just attached it on the website itself. It tells you My Diamond team BNB bank. The key to this actually that I didn't say is that this is a BNB in, BNB out. So you just deposit with your BNB, and then also when you cash out right here, as you guys can see, the withdrawal right here, it will give you it in BNB. So there's no token involved in this. This is actually a very good thing, because that means there's no, you know, a lot of taxes, just like in drip, which, you know, drip is not a bad thing. Drip is actually absolutely low risk. And speaking of that, if you guys are new to drip as well, make sure to join that. It's a very low risk, 1% a day. It has given me my 1% a day for the past 2 months and a half. It's amazing. And I'm gonna leave a link of a tutorial, a very step-by-step tutorial, link in the top left or top right. Make sure to watch it and join the team. So I'm gonna leave the link of drip so you can join it. Click on the link below. It will allow you to join the drip and deposit and start making 1% a day. But going back to it, it's as simple as a BNB in, BNB out. Which means you know, less taxes, and that's what we would like. And if we go down here to see the exact amount of taxes, and right here it tells you 10% fee for investing and withdrawing, additional anti-whale tax. So that's pretty good. Simple as that. Minimum deposit to join is 0.1 BNB, so keep that in mind, and a maximum of 25 BNB. So obviously keep that in mind as well. So yeah, other than that, one thing to note as well, that there's the reinvest button, which is basically the compounding. It actually, instead of being 5% tax compared to drip, it's actually a 5% bonus. So they give you a 5% bonus on top of what you compound. So this is actually a very good incentive for people to carry on compounding. And I actually want to show you guys an Excel sheet that I made ages ago that is very flexible. I'm gonna leave the link of it in the description as well if you want to play with it. I'm gonna show you how, for example, you can simulate if you compound it for a day, if you compound it for 24 hours a day for 2-3 months, where are you going to be, how much are you going to be making a day from that? So let's just say you entered $500, right, in my diamond team. The daily ROI is going to be 0.15. I'm going to change those numbers because those numbers used to be for the drip faucet. And the compound tax is actually, instead of 0.05, I believe it's going to be a negative 0.05, which I already noted down actually right here. So I'm going to put a negative, which means it will add instead of reduce that tax. And then deposit tax is 10%. Simple as that. So from day one, you will be making $6.75 a day, and as you compound daily, and right here it tells you at day 30 you'll be making $10 a day. I feel like that's a pretty decent investment. Increase is 50%, and then at 60 days, which is 2 months, you'll be making $16. You're already almost breaking 3x in two months. You're already breaking 3x. And then at day 90, you'll be making $27 a day. At day 150, you'll be making $69. So in also half a year, we will be hitting the $100+ a day from this. This is an amazing return. And obviously, is this too unsustainable? No, I feel like this is actually pretty sustainable. It is inspired by drip, so it has all the good stuff like the maximum payout, which is 365% a year. So you can't just keep cashing out. It will lock you out. And it also has the taxes, which is pretty good for keeping it within the system. And I feel like the incentive, for example, the referral system, the 5% bonus is good incentives to keep people within the system and compound and be less greedy and think about more of the long term. So I actually really like this project, and as you guys can see with right here, it shows you the graph. From a full year, it starts to pick up the daily ROI and it goes up. So the longer you compound, the better rewards you'll get, because it's exponential growth. And that's amazing. So if you want to start from making $6 a day to making $100 a day, all it takes is 6 months of patience, 6 months of daily compounding, and you will get paid off. And so far, it has been paying me off, and it has been worth it. It has been working. And I've been looking at the Telegram, which I'm gonna leave that link in the description as well. They're active. A lot of people are making videos about this, and I thought I'd make a video about this as well. So again, guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to join my diamond team, click on the link in the description. It'll allow you to join and make a deposit, and you can join my team as well. Make sure to join the Telegram as well. And that'll be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more crypto videos and drip videos very soon. Let me know what you think about my diamond team. Any more videos you want me to make specifically, let me know at link in the description, or you can DM me at Coolide. Other than that, hope you guys have a nice rest of your day, and bye bye.